Hi guys, welcome to protraders. This is Harshvardhan. So, are you able to hear me? Is video audio clear? Hi guys, welcome to protraders. This is Harshvardhan. So, are you able to? Hear me? Is video audio clear? Hi guys, welcome to protraders. This is Harshvardhan. Okay, fine. So you can ask me the question in Hindi and English because this is the protraders channel. You can ask me any questions. Mm. You can ask the questions. Type it. Hi, hello, everyone. I wanted to hear. There is some issue in the mic. I don't know. Okay, no problem. I guess. Please like the stream so that other people can get the notifications. Praveen Kumar, hi. So please ask the questions, not hi. Anything related to coding? Sorry, trading, and a lot of people have some questions about. I mean, how to code and integrate with the algo. So don't ask those questions. How much returns? How much percentage of returns? We should not talk all these things according to the SEBI rules. Okay. Look, nobody can say that because it's market is random. Whatever the returns it will give, we'll take it. Whatever the returns it will give, we'll take it. That's it. Okay. Next, join this Telegram channel. It's very important. Most of them have some questions related to this algo. I'll tell you what. Once you log in, you will get the username and password. Then it will be like this. So you can add your strategies like this if you are allowed to. Okay. Then strategy will be there. Then you just have to generate the token. That's it. You have to generate the token. You have to click on it. There will be generate token or refresh the token, whatever it is. You click on it. It will pop up with the your broker, Alice Blue, Fires, whatever it is. Okay. That's it. You just have to generate the token. As simple as that. Okay. How do you backtest? Do you use any platform or own Python backtesting? I use TradingView to backtest. In TradingView, we have to write the code in Pine script. Once you've done it, all the results will be there. How much percentage of returns? What is the drawdown? What is the success percentage and failure percentage? And what is the profit factor? Everything. By default, you will get in the TradingView platform. What you need to do is you need to get the strategy coded in Pine script. Simple. You can use the ChatGPT also. If you have any idea, you can just type in ChatGPT and ChatGPT just copy paste this the Pine script. You can find it in the YouTube. You can find. You can search it and find it out. I think most of the people have already shown a video how to code in trading. For options also means it can't give you an options, but it can only give you a spot. Based on that, you can calculate the options. Okay. Anybody wants to join these courses, you can go for it. There's the courses link. I can put it here. There's the courses. I think you have seen my profit and loss statement, right? Are they updated in according to me, according to the monthly bank nifty? Means I didn't get your question, please. Bank nifty where bank nifty per your see I don't trade in bank nifty, right? I told you right in the video. The PNL video I told that I stopped the bank nifty in October because there is no weekly contraction. But you can trade if you have a strategy, you can trade. I was planning to trade in bank nifty intraday. You can do future trading with hedging or option selling with hedging also. Your strategy, your strategy, how it will work, right? What is the conditions? So based on price action, I believe in price action. No indicators, nothing. This is a custom price action based strategy. Any more? My voice is clear, right? Let me check once again. My voice is clear, right? Let me check once again. Yeah, I think I think it's somehow clear. Okay. Mm, next question. It is indicator based or else? I just answered the question. It is price action based. What is option selling? Hedging, sir? Is it like put or call spread? Yeah, simple, right? For example, see, hedging means what? Mm, what do you mean? Oh, okay. See, if it is going upside, that means CE or PE or long, whatever. It is going, another trade is going in downside. It might be PE or something. Opposite direction. This is called hedging. Okay. Let's see how it is. For example, it is there. For example, what is Nifty? Right now it is 24,800. I am buying a future Nifty. Where is it? Okay. Nifty future. June. Add. See, you need 2 lakhs to trade. Either it is sell or buy, long or short, whatever it is. Huh? Now I want to hedge. See, for example, this is I just bought it. Buy. Right? So that means it is going upside. It is indicating if market goes up, we'll make money. So hedging means what? For example, 20,800 is there. 24,800 I'll take. So I'll go opposite side, which is put. I buy put. See, the margin reduced to 71. This is buy means put. Put means what? If market goes down, this will make money. This will give you money. If it is market goes up, this will give you money. So if market goes up, this will give you money. This will give you loss, but some limited loss. So where to exit, you need to know. If you are doing this instead of buying, you are selling it. Okay, that means what? It is going long side. So in such case, you have to buy call. Call means it goes upside. Okay, see, it is going upside. You make money. You make loss in the future. But this is only hedging purpose we have to use. But this is the mainly this is the one it is giving the profit. Okay, so that is how hedging. Otherwise, you can go to YouTube. You can go to YouTube and find out the videos regarding hedging. Okay. Mm, right. When is it clear for hedging? If not, you can learn on your own through YouTube. will manage 15 lakhs capital. Sir, if you want the details, you can WhatsApp to my team. I'll just give you the number. WhatsApp to this number, they will send you details. Okay. I do per lot 1.5 lakhs. Okay, Nifty. Option buying I'm using with the capital of 1.5 lakhs, one lot. WhatsApp to this number, they will send you the details. Willing to take loss 10 lakhs. It's not a loss. It's called drawdown. Okay. Next questions, please. What's in your offline workshop? Mm, in Telegram, I just send you the link. Fill that form, and it's the details are there in that form. Next. Mm, any highlight can you share? As I am not understanding Telugu. I am from Gujarat. Sir, I'm not. I'm talking in Hindi only, English only, right? If you have any questions, I'm answering, right? Excuse me. Mm. Also, let's discuss. Will you save your own strategies? Yeah, yeah. Of course, I have more strategies, successful strategies, more than 10. Okay, but of course, out of which we can only use top top strategies, right? Yeah, in your workshop, will you give us the strategy building or framework or strategy itself, strategy and everything, money management, risk management, compounding, strategy building. Strategy building means I'll give you strategy. Based on that, you want to create your own strategy also, you will get some ideas. You can do it on your own. In offline workshop, yes, offline workshop. Online, you want to learn, this is the link. I just sent you, right? If you want to learn these strategies, Uh, I'll just put it there. If you want, you can learn from here. Mm, okay. For option selling strategy, also use the price action strategy or time based strategy. So I never use strangle or strat. What is it? Straddle. I only go directional. If I'm doing option selling, I sell it and I put the hedge. That's it. Only directional. I don't do this straddle and strangles. And what will be the drawdown? Drawdown for what, sir? Every strategy has its own drawdown. I want strategy that you're you currently using. I want it in online. Is it possible? Never. First time attending this, can you share the result of your algos? Sir, if you already shared, just now. Sir, I have showed my profit and loss statement. Go to this channel recently. You can see it. Recently, I just posted my PNL. Go to this channel and you see video will be available. In offline, it is possible. In offline, I'll tell you some strategies, not my strategy. But there is not much different. Maybe 5 to 10% of the difference means 5 to 10% of the points change in a year. That's it. Because the strategies are different, right? Sometimes it might one strategy might give you drawdown, another strategy might give you in profits. No, it will be in equity curve breaks upside. The another strategy will be in drawdown like that. Something like that. So it differs because every strategy has its own logic and own risk management, own drawdown, and etc. Okay. Mm, Next, you can ask in Hindi also, no problem. If someone has any question. Did you share the direction option selling PNL also? Drawdown if you mix the strategy as a portfolio and portfolio. Direction option selling means what? See, I don't do option selling, I told you, right? Because if you know the logic, you can only choose option buying because the return on investment is high compared to option selling, and there is unlimited loss in option selling. In option buying, there is no only limited loss, so unlimited profit. So why should we go for the option selling then? Right? Make sense? Drawdown if you mix the strategies as a portfolio. Yeah, I do, but somewhat it will give you some kind of smoothness in the equity curve. It will reduce the term. I increase the profits. It might increase the profits or maybe less profits, but for compounding, for mixing the strategies is better. For me, that means what if your capital is growing, Your profits are growing 1 crore, 2 crore. You can't take much risk. Okay, based on that, you have to diversify the strategies, or you might be, slow down the compounding system. There's a lot of n number of things you can do. Yeah. Next, any other? See, in this, there are free strategies also there. You can go for it. This weekly and bank nifty and strategy. You can buy them. Very little amount, I guess 50 rupees, something like that. If you want, you can buy that. Mm, next. कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हैं if you have any issue. Next. Mhm. What is the minimum time of drawdown in strategy? Na? Maximum, sorry, maximum. See, if it depends on the strategy, it might sometimes, 3 months, 4 months also, because we are doing option buying, right? You can't get every month the returns. In option selling, generally people what they do, they try to make 2% or 3% of in a month, or 1 month or 2 months, they might lose, hugely, because the bigger the moves, the bigger the losses for them. But the bigger the moves, the bigger the profits for us, right? So we are in the opposite side. So obviously, what happens? Every day, every month, they are making money, right? 2%, 3%, or whatever it is. And that's area we make some money. Sorry, drawdown phase or time drawdown. It might be going for 3 months or 2 months or 4 months also sometimes. But in the next month, it will give you huge profits or it will cover. See, it's like most of the time we will be in a drawdown only. Okay. Drawdown means it equally goes up, again drawdown. Goes up, again drawdown. Most of the time we'll be in a drawdown, but it will give you huge profits when the equity curve breaks. That is the power of option buying. But you have to be patient, right? Then only you can make more money, more returns comparatively option selling. So that's why it's like just like you put the money and let it run. Money is working for you. It's like a passive income. So don't think like every month, every day trades, what happening every day am I making money, or every month, every week, or every 2 months. Not like that. You have to see at least 6 months or 1 year. You definitely make money. Only if your strategy has the edge, positive edge. Otherwise, there is no strategy can will give you money. Do you keep the cash, sir, for your strategies, or you will invest in something for March? Very good. So mostly, for example, if I have the capital of 1 crore, most probably I'll use 7 to 10 lakhs. That's it, not more than that. So rest of the money I will invest in liquid bees, because whenever I need it, I can immediately take the money. Whenever I'm making the money, profits are growing, then I'll again reinvest the profits. 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs, I invest in the liquid piece again. Because every year it will give you 4 to 5% of the returns. So if I wanted to do option selling sometimes in intraday, sometimes, but I don't prefer very 1% sometimes. Then I can pledge that liquid piece money and then I'll take the cash and do it. Simple. So anyhow, the money is not working. Then let's not make some more percentage of money by investing in liquid piece because you will get 4 to 5% in a year. So 4 to 5 lakhs, almost whatever the taxes, brokerage you are making per year, it will reach to 6 to 7 lakhs mostly, as per my recent projections. So I can return that money uh, by investing in equities. Extremely which are using the route. Okay, so you can also, because we are option buying, we don't use much capital, with very less capital. So rest all the money is staying idle. So we have to invest in some any other stocks because I am not expert in fundamental analysis, so I don't invest anything. I'm only allowed to trade in. Oh, sorry, I would like to trade, not invest. I can make much more money, right? You have seen my P&L. Why should I waste my waste my money by just by investing in some random stocks or even if they are growth stocks also? The returns are very, 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 very less compared to my trading income. So obviously, there's no point of investing for me. It's- Is buying is buying intraday or position intraday? Do you trade every day? It's buying it. Yes, I do trade every day. Okay, intraday, most probably some days the signal might not come, so I don't trade. As per the setup, if the signal comes, as per the setup, the strategy, give you the signal, give you the trade to my algo. The setup is not there, then it will not fire the signal. I intraday and position, if intraday do you trade every day? I think I answered that. Option buying index or stocks. Only indexes, no stocks. Okay. Any other questions? Only two people are asking the questions. It's really the best. Next questions, please. Use it for coding first and Praveen Kumar. If you want Algo, you can WhatsApp to that number. Already given to you. Algo software. If you have any strategy, also you can create your own strategy from TradingView, and you can use it as an Algo. Okay. 100% of money you keep in money. I just told you right. If there is 1 crore, I can hardly use 10 lakhs. So most of the time I'll put 80 to 70 lakhs in a liquid piece. Example. So you can consider that 70% will go to liquid base and rest of the 30% I'll use for trading. When will the workshop takes place? I don't know, sir. Basically, I'm not interested to. I stopped it, but whenever there is once or twice in a year, whenever I get some feedback from the people, then I try to do it. But I try to fill that form whenever there is. I will inform in the Telegram channel. Okay. So go to the Telegram channel, scroll up, you will find the form for week offline workshop in Hyderabad. Then you can fill that form. Okay. Next, what is your current capital? See, I can't say that. Okay. Current capital means I just recently I showed you, right? You can consider that is one. Okay. And the another portfolio, we can't disclose just like that. Stars you how to identify trend. I'm asking you how to identify trend. Tell me so that I can find. I'll make every day. I'll make the profits every day. So that's why what you have to do is you have to find out a setup which can give you profitability, out of which risk reward ratio should be in some proper way. Then you can make money. So as I always tell, we cannot predict the market. We should not predict the market. So that is why your strategy should be in such a way. It should give you money. It should give you profits in all the scenario, all the seasons, 2021, 2022 till now, or any last 10 years also you need to the back test of that setup, whatever the strategy you have. And it is giving you positive points. Then you can go for it. Forget about trend, forget about sideways, forget about blah blah blah. Okay, simple. How many lots you are trading, sir? Sir, I told you, right? I can't disclose the portfolio. Then I can't tell you this. How many lots I'm trading? And second thing, currently I recently I'm started with I told you, right, 10 lots. Now it is fluctuating somewhere around 10 lakhs, 30, 20. And also I'll increase, decrease. Only currently it is 30 or 40. Do you take profit based on the price action or risk multiples? Price action, sir. See, you have to first of all find out a strategy which is giving you positive points. Risk reward ratio, forget about it. If it is risk reward ratio is in a proper way, obviously it will give you positive points, right? If the risk reward is not in place, then you don't get the positive points. End of the year, no, entire years while you are doing the backtest. Without knowing direction probability, how setup you will work, you must have seen directional bias. See, some people might do that. What is bias? What is your bullish view? All these things. You're doing some research, or you're taking the help of some tools, or whatever the research, the option chain, or blah 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 blah, whatever the results. Okay, but Somehow I feel like you are taking some view means if you have a proper rule, then it's okay. If not the rule, you out of which out of all your gut feeling, what is happening in the rules, it sounds like a gambling. Yes or no? It sounds like a gambling for me. So that's why I created a strategy. I don't know what is happening tomorrow, on which side it will go, at what time it will turn back, turn upside or downside or sideways. I don't know, right? So that's why you create a setup and you just follow that setup. How many lots I just told you? Even if the VIX is high, option premium are high. Also do the option buying or no trade due to, no sir, nothing like that. See, sometimes I whatever you're talking about VIX, I don't have much idea about it. I don't want to know. Sometimes, of course, you said sometimes it is sideways. The time decay will be huge, and the premiums is also high. Time decay will be high. That happens in the over the year. See, out of which you are doing 500 trades or 400 trades in a year, you know, it will be, it will average the things. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Everything is an average, right? So there is no problem. Which time frame, sir? I can't disclose anything. And the point is, we can use any in any time frame. Okay, if your strategy is there, if you do the back test, any in every time frame, the logic will apply. But the parameters, what is it called? The parameters will be different and the metrics will be different. Like drawdown, like success and winning ratio. I mean to say, what is it? Risk reward ratio is different. And what is it called? Success rate is different. Like that. You change the parameters, obviously the metrics will be changed. The optimal strike price, I'll use ATM. That's it. There is no optimal strike price. I told you, right? It will average. So that's why I go for ATM. I can go for ITM, OTM sometimes, but ultimately there is no much difference. That is also if you go for OTM, ITM, it will become like a discretionary sometimes. So I don't want to do that. So in between, which is perfect, ATM. If you just follow setup without carrying market direction, is our setup is based on candlestick pattern or indicator candlestick patterns. I told you in the earlier. I think all I already answered this question. Not indicators. I don't believe in indicators. Those are lagging. Then what you made of setup? What is the foundation of setup? Yeah, price action. Setup is price action. You are doing with 1 crore. So I'm just giving an example. I just going 30 lots, right? You can consider like that. But that is also I increase, decrease 10 lots to 30, sometimes increase 20, 30, 20, 30, 10, like that. You teach algo trading to जो आप करते हो वो setup. हाँ, वो सेटअप नहीं है, दूसरा सेटअप होगा। लेकिन वो सेटअप के दूसरा नया जो सिखाने वाला वर्कशॉप में ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क नहीं है। बिकॉज़ जस्ट रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट में तो पॉइंट्स में थोड़ा-सा इधर-उधर हो सकता है। कभी वो जो ज़्यादा प्रॉफ़िट देगा, कभी ये ज़्यादा प्रॉफ़िट देगा, डिपेंड्स। ऑप्शन बाइंग और सेलिंग, आई डू ऑप्शन बाइंग। सो यू आर आस्किंग नाउ, हाँ? You told that you developed the 10 setups all based on upon price action. Yes, price action only, no indicators used. I told you, right? I don't depend on indicator. Indicators are lagging. Most of the times it will misguide you. Next. Any other questions? It is. Oh, it will give me another way. Got it. Don't you have online course Algo based? Algo based means what? There is a strategy. If it is rule based strategy, you can put it in Algo. So the strategy I have given, this is the thing. These are all rule based strategy only. If you want, you can buy from here. I just posted. Option buying with hedging or stop loss. Option buying with stop loss. For option buying, there is no hedge. Option selling and futures, you will have hedge. For option buying, there is no only stop loss you have. After you develop the trading view, how you backtest the options. Sir, I'll take like 60 to 70% of the drawdown basically comes on the what is it in spot. If your spot is giving you 100 points, you most probably get the drawdown of 60 points or 70 points. Depends. Depends on the strategy also. Some strategy might give you 70, some strategy might give you 50, some strategy might give you 60. Because of my live market testing, I observed. Excuse me. If you, interest lots, based on market condition or it is fixed like 1.5 lots. Sir, you WhatsApp to my team 89782, right? They will you will get the details for Algo. Next, is it 1 hour? Oh, okay, 10 more minutes. We will wind up. Anybody wants to Algo details? You can WhatsApp to this number. not this side. No. What's this? Can you please brief an example of price action based strategy? Bracket support or resistance based or level based like that. Those are all nonsense. If support is there, resistance is there. For example, Modi will invest in 1,000 crores in the support, and he will exit at resistance, and he'll make thousands of money, which will be beneficial for India. Yes or no? These are nonsense. People will teach you nonsense things. If they are teaching this support and resistance, all this nonsense, right? Why don't you ask the profit and loss statement for them? Will they provide? That is the question. If you have 10 lakhs capital, I can deploy 4 to 6 lakhs of Nifty. And how much return can I expect? Sir, don't ask this how much returns can I expect? Can I expect this much of returns? Is it guarantee? Is it safe? So we should not talk these things as per the SEBI rules, right? Markets are subject, sorry, stock market is subject to risk. You have to understand this. Trading is especially high risk. Trading is highly risky business. Sir, we cannot say what is there we can show. 1 year it is you are talking, right? This is there. This is what happened. But you cannot say this much, that much, this year, this year. When that happens 1 year, I will show you, right? Then you can see. You don't understand what are the issues with our SEBI rules and all. So that's why you're talking like this. Okay, you got my point? We cannot say publicly these things. So as per the SEBI rules, we cannot claim this much of returns. You cannot promise the percentage of returns. Not me. I'm talking. This is to everyone. You should not talk this. You should not talk. No, this much of returns are coming. Percentage of returns, performance, all these things you should not talk. And you should not give the guarantee also. That is why they have already given you in disclaimer, right? When you open your broker terminal, you are getting 9 out of 10 people are losing money, and this blah 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 everything. Mutual funds is there. Mutual fund should not promise to the clients. They only tell you mutual funds are subjected to market risk. That's it. If it is giving you 12%, they will tell you, last year it has given 12%. That's it. Previously it has given 15%. So that is how we can talk. In future, it will give you 20%. Join my mutual fund. They cannot say like that. You got my point? So, मेरा रिवर्सल ट्रेडिंग में प्रॉब्लम होता है, ये उसको कैसे ठीक कर पाऊंगा? सर मुझे कैसे पता है सर आपका स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगर आपका स्ट्रैटेजी पता होता तो कुछ बता सकता हूँ, बट इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू एक्सप्लेन हियर, राइट? It's almost it's almost 1 hour. Huh? 1 hour. अभी 5 मिनट बचा है. Last few more questions. After that, we'll wind up. Huh? One question, one final question. Why you are coming to social media if you are not making money? If you are making money, I'll ask you why not. You tell me the answer. Why not? You should answer these questions. Why not? I have given answers to all your questions. You should answer this one question. This, 4 minutes. What you are expecting from public domain? What can I expect from the public domain? Same question. You answer me. And you show last trend you did last trend, it's a trend, last trend maybe. Last trend you did. Okay, good. Mm, I have my Algo software. I have to sell this, right? I'm an entrepreneur. I run businesses. Okay, and there are many more things which you don't understand. Okay, compounding more, yes, okay, might be when I'm making money, I get the money from other businesses also. You said the answer, right? But then why are you asking this question? Which question I'm talking? Why are you in the social media? Huh? I have my Algo software to sell, right? I have invested, so it's a hell lot of work to develop that software. Yes or no? You have a strategy. We are selling to multiple B2B, B2C. It's a web-based software. In market, very few web-based softwares are there in the market. I can't show, sir, but there is some issues. I told you, right? It's compliance is issue. They are saying some, you can only analysis something previous 3 months, something is that. I don't know. I think last week, I guess. I think there is a trend happen on 23rd. Yeah. You can check 23rd trend. I think CE side we have taken. 23rd. You can check. I think 1 hour is done. Any more questions? I will wait for 5 more minutes. I can type immediately, faster. Okay. What is the starting level of B2B? See, we'll sell the software bulk licenses to the other businesses. They will give us. They have their own strategies. They give it to their clients. You got my point. B2B means this is not capital wise. We'll sell licenses. Those licenses they will give it to their clients because they have some strategies. They are selling it. They might be. Otherwise, some people give their own strategy to their clients and they will help them to code, integrate, and everything, and give this algo. Since they are using this algo, they charge some price. Simple. Use that board. Top importance of your price action of reading chart and tracking channel. Mm, sorry, sir, I can't. It takes a lot of explanation, but sorry. Yes, you can sell to your friends. I don't know you sell it to your clients or anybody or friends or anybody. But we will but you have to take the bulk at least 50 licenses. Mhm. Mhm. So any more questions? We'll wind up. What is 50L per year? You can WhatsApp to my team and explain. They will connect to me. Then we can discuss. Not 50L per year or one time. It's license based. You buy the licenses. If the licenses are used, again you need to buy the license. Like that. Yes, WhatsApp to my team. 89782. Mr. Use it for coding first. WhatsApp to my team. I have given the number. They will tell you. Okay. I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session.